Welcome to Grass Tutorial. How do I register and start farming grass? It's simple. All you need is a referral code to get started. If you do not have one, you can always head to Grass official Discord at the Grass referral section to choose one. Then head over to getgrass.io, key in your email, and set up a username, and you are good to go. Next step is to go to Google Chrome Web Store and download the Grass extension. Once you have downloaded the extension, log in with your credentials and press the Connect button. Congratulations! You have already started farming grass points. Make sure that your extension is always connected to keep grass running in the background. Now that you have grass running, it is time to start introducing it to your friends and family about grass and how easy it is to be rewarded by earning grass points and earn a stake in the AI revolution. Specifically, you will receive a 20% commission based on the points your referred friend earns in perpetuity. You will earn 10% of the points that the second-level referral earns, and you will earn 5% of the points that the third-level referral earns. Every time you jump ranks, you'll also get a bonus. That's our way of saying thanks and encouraging everyone to keep getting the word out. Anytime you refer a friend, you'll get 2,500 points when they reach 100 hours of uptime. And all of your new referrals will get a 5,000-point bonus when they hit 100 hours of uptime. Every user's quality points differs depending on your geolocation. A maximum of 2,400 points capped per day for a 100% network quality. 75% will make 1,800 points daily. Running a Grass node is 100% safe, secure, and private. Grass has zero access to your personal data and only uses small amounts of your unused internet bandwidth. Head over to Grass official links for more news and updates. Thanks for watching.